Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy eSIM on Agoda. If you're traveling or you simply want mobile data without using a physical SIM card, buying an eSIM online can be a really quick and convenient option. Instead of visiting a store or swapping SIM cards, you can purchase and activate your mobile data digitally right from your phone or computer. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact process, from finding the right eSIM plan, selecting your destination or region, and completing the purchase. I'll also show you what information you need before buying and how to make sure the eSIM works on your device. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to buy an eSIM on Agoda in just a few minutes so you can stay connected wherever you go. So let's get started and jump straight into the steps. First thing we should do is search up Agoda and click the first link, which takes us to the official website of Agoda. We will see a 3-dot at the top of the page, which we are going to click, and click the option eSIM, which opens a new tab. So listen carefully. Agoda offers different types of eSIM plans depending on where you're traveling, including regional and global options. These plans are designed to help you stay connected easily without needing to buy a physical SIM card when you arrive. After that, we will choose the country where we want our eSIMs to be in. For this video, I choose USA. Now we can select the data plan we are going to get. We can also make our eSIM regional and also global, but for this video, we're doing the local one. After choosing what we are going to buy, we will click Proceed, and we will check if the criteria is met with our standard. Then we will click Proceed to Payment, which lets us choose the payment method. Before we wrap things up, it's worth remembering how useful eSIM technology has become for travelers and everyday users. Instead of worrying about losing a tiny SIM card or searching for a mobile store in a new place, everything can be handled digitally in just a few minutes. It makes staying connected much easier, whether you're traveling for business, studying abroad, or simply exploring a new country. Platforms like Agoda have made it even more convenient by offering different data plans that suit different needs and destinations. This means you can choose the option that works best for you and enjoy reliable internet access without the usual hassle. Having mobile data ready when you arrive somewhere can really make your experience smoother, from navigating maps to staying in touch with friends and family. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.